What's going on, guys? Joey here on the Good Time Central channel, and today we're gonna go do a bonfire at the beach, so let's get to it. Bam. All right, guys, we made it to the beach here with the boys. Sheesh. So actually, we didn't get a bonfire pit, sadly, but we're waiting. We're just gonna eye them until they leave us, you know, with a bonfire pit. But look at that! Check out this sunset. Hold on. Sheesh. Ain't she beautiful? Guys, we couldn't find a pit, so we just made one ourselves.
DIY pit.
What do you think, Cody?
I mean, shit, it works, so.
Yep, it works.
No complaints.
Such a vibe, though. Look at this shit. With the ocean right there. It's a beautiful night.
To like the group chat or something.
Alright, guys, we got the wieners going. They're burning our fingers off. Look how fucking short the fucking stick is. Cook them up, cook them up. Let me see you guys' wieners. Damn, the colors are looking a little black.
Actually, it's hard to tell. Is it actually?
Yeah, it is. At the top, I think it's the top, the very top. Right here, on this side. Got a little black.
We're getting somewhere, bro.
God damn, my fingers. My fingers burning.
My wiener's sweating.
They're not cooking, they're sweating. They thought it was funny.
Am I even in the fire, bro? It looks like on camera, it looks like I'm in the fire, bro.
You have to like stick that bitch in the fire.
Alright. A little bit more.
Unless I can't tell, Joey.
They said the tip's a little black, but you know, it's alright. We don't care if it's a little charred. Shit's on fire. My fingers.
I was gonna do
Watch
this.
you skew the bun.
I want to touch a little bit. No, those are
That's actually smart.
You're gonna toast your bun?
a little bit. 2 for 1.
I'm just gonna do it like this.
2 for 1.
Look
You
at
should just
this.
put the hot dog in the bun.
It's gonna burn my fingers though.
The bun's sitting on top of the hot dog.
Oh wait.
Bun me.
That's actually a good idea.
Keep the wiener warm?
Maybe if it needs to be cooked a little bit more. Then...
You wanna hand me a bun?
Yeah, I got you.
Bun me.
Bun.
Got the bun sitting on the hot dog.
Ow! I'm gonna check my bun.
Yeah, we're just gonna warm the bun up. We don't even need it.
That's already warm.
It's already warm, bro. That's good enough. 5 seconds in the fucking.
Yeah, that's fine.
And you see the burn. Edos, what do you think, Edos?
I'm already halfway. I think I did a pretty good job.
Yeah.
Pretty perfect.
Out of 10?
7.
7 out of 10. What about you, Cody?
Well, I don't know if it's because I'm kind of hungry, but I give it an 8, bro. Pretty good.
8? Nice. Alright, guys. I haven't even bit mine yet. But looks wise, I'm gonna say this is like a 8 out of 10 looks. You know, I've seen better dog. Let me get a bite. Let me get a bite of this. No homo.
Bro, there might be range over there.
Right now.
Shining his light on us.
I think it is.
Dead ass? Might be.
Might got a ranger pulling up on us, but just act cool, act natural. Good glizzy though.
Smiling wave, boy. Smiling wave.
We got glizzy number 2, guys. So good, we so good they had to run it back. Yeah, I'm catching fire.
Can't really catch it on fire.
It's like the juices coming out of it kind of spark it a little bit.
Yeah. In the grease.
Grease. I guess it's really isn't really like a hot. It's a hot link, so it's not really like a beef patty or beef frank, you know. fuck am I talking about?
Dude, mine's back to
Such a beautiful night, guys.
Oh, what the fuck?
Nothing but good times. Oh, my finger. Man, this fire's hot. Alright. No, that's alright. It's almost done.
God, it is almost done.
One more time.
Oh,
9 out of 10. Fire. Alright, guys. So, Edos and Cody went to the store, get some. Oh, shit. Garbage almost flew. Getting some, they got. Oh, shit. Grabbing me an ice cream. That's what I was trying to say. Went to go grab an ice cream. And then they're gonna get themselves some drinks while they're at it, so. Yeah, so that's where we're at, bro. I'm so. Feeling so good after the hot dog, man. Chilling. Just a good time. Just a good time. It's the nights you love, you know?
A few inches later.
Just look at the moon through the clouds, reflecting off the ocean. Hear the waves. See the little city, town. It's just a great night.
Eventually.
Ice cream secured. Thanks, boys.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we got kicked out by the Rangers. All good, though. Look at my ice cream. And have a good rest of our night. Gotta go drop off the boys. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Alright, guys, as you can tell, I am back home, all cozy, ready to just edit this video and head off to sleep. If you haven't already, please sub up and catch you in the next one.